guys, it's Heather. Welcome back. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. We are going to be talking about Father's Day gift basket ideas. So I have 6 different gift basket ideas that I want to share with you that you can do for your dad this year on Father's Day. So dads can be some of the hardest people to buy for because they have everything or they don't want anything. So we came up with 6 different gift basket ideas that you can do for your dad so that you can have a creative, fun idea and a great gift to give that is really, really easy to put together and it won't take you a lot of time. Now before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, I want you to leave me a comment and tell me what you're getting your dad this year for Father's Day. This gift basket is perfect for the sports fanatic in your family. So you can actually create a signed basketball, which is a perfect fun little keepsake and perfect for Father's Day. I also have some athletic wear in here, some new shirts, a new pair of shorts that we grabbed that you could add in here. Then some fun sports themed, snacks like a Gatorade, a protein bar. I love this cooling towel, and then also this giant water jug that you can take while you're working out. This gift basket idea is perfect for the dad that loves to grill. We have put together all of our favorites in a cute little metal bucket. This was actually an ice bucket that we found at Walmart. This is a lighter. We've got some awesome grill seasonings in here. And then we actually filled the back with all of these grill tools that they can use. You could also add in some gift cards or things like that to this. It's a really, really simple and easy gift basket that you can put together from almost any store. Okay, this one is for the dad who likes to lounge around and do nothing on Father's Day. I love this cute little sign that says, "Hanging with you is my favorite thing to do." So cute, and we actually included a hammock so dad can lay around and hang around on Father's Day. We've also got some of dad's favorite snacks. We've got some beef jerky, some Dr. Pepper, a book that they can read while they're laying in the hammock, and then also this insulated tumbler. All of this is actually put together in a cute little ice chest, which makes an adorable little gift basket. It's also really practical, so dad can use it for the years to come. This one is not really a gift basket, but it's still a lot of fun and a really great gift for dad. This is actually dinner and a movie, so we grabbed a Outback gift card and an AMC gift card so they could go see the movie of their choice, and then we wrapped up some kettle corn in some cellophane. So that makes a cute little gift, and we just taped those to the outside. You can also include your dad's favorite movie theater candy, so they have dinner and a movie ready to go. This one is so much fun. In fact, we are calling this the Punny Gift Basket. It is a gift basket full of all kinds of snacks and treats with cute little puns on them. This one says, "I'm nuts about you," and it's a bag of pistachios. This one's a root beer. It says, "Thanks for always rooting for me." And we just put all of these tags on these different snacks and put them together in a little gift basket. You could also add in a gift card or cash or something like that if you wanted to as well. It's just a fun little treat to tell dad how much he means to you. This is one of my favorite Father's Day ideas. Who doesn't love a root beer float? This is a root beer float kit. For Father's Day, we have some IBC root beer, we've got some Bluebell ice cream, some straws, an ice cream scoop, whipped cream, and a cherry, you guys. This is the perfect Father's Day afternoon treat for your dad and also the entire family. Okay, there you have it. 6 different gift basket ideas that you can do for dad this year on Father's Day. Guys, don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you're getting your dad for Father's Day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you guys can check out all of our other money saving tips and tricks to save your time, your money, and your sanity. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.